To cut the miters and technically to do all kind of a cutting with the porcelain, it's always good to use a little bit of water. Just get the right blade. We're using this blade that we get in Home Depot. It's not expensive and deliver the results. As you can see, we're cutting in miters as we're showing you right now. Just make sure you put a little of water on the mix. I always first cut my piece to size in 90 and then trim my miter size with the angle grinder by hand with a water spray bottle, or in this case we're using the hose that we have right here on the house available. So just don't do too much pressure, go slow, try to keep your edge clear, don't touch exactly. If you can look on the video, I don't touch all the way through the edge. It's very close, but it's, let's say, a 32 of an inch to reach the actual corner, because in porcelain it's very difficult. What I do, I cut it, as you can see, with my blade, and then I use a polishing pad to get rid of that extra 32 and reach my 45 angle sharp corner as a knife technically. But I do it with the polishing pad because this is a little risky and may create you a chip. So we're gonna do it with that technique. We're gonna cut it, as you can see. We're cutting all the way right now with our disc, giving that little space in between the edge and the blade. And now once we cut it, we put our pad, 0 grit, on the same iron grinder, lower your speed to the lowest of the machine, and then you rub your pad on your angle, try to keep it steady and follow your miter. Then you reach it all the way to the edge that you wanted, then use some kind of a straight rule just to check it if it's straight, and you're ready to go. Also, when you do the cutting with the blade, just keep in mind, don't go full speed with the machine. Try to get a variable speed angle grinder, because it's gonna perform better if you work between 15 and 2500 RPMs.